Hi, in this quick video I will explain grounded theory as a research design. Grounded theory is a qualitative research design designed to generate theory directly from the data, rather than testing an existing hypothesis or using a pre-existing theoretical framework. Unlike more traditional research approaches, grounded theory allows the theory to emerge naturally through the iterative process of data collection and analysis. Researchers continuously compare data with previously gathered information. This ongoing comparison enables them to identify recurring patterns, concepts, and categories, which are then defined into a coherent theoretical framework. Grounded theory is particularly useful when studying processes, interactions, or behaviors where existing theories do not exist or may not fully explain the phenomena. One of the major advantages of grounded theory is its flexibility. Since it does not require researchers to adhere to a rigid hypothesis or framework from the start, the design allows for the exploration of unexpected insights that may arise during data collection. This makes it a powerful approach for investigating complex or under-researched topics. However, the open-ended nature of grounded theory can also be a challenge, as it requires researchers to be highly reflexive and adaptable throughout the research process. The absence of a preset framework means that analysis can be time-consuming, with researchers needing to sift through large amounts of data to construct a meaningful theory that adequately reflects the participants' experiences and emerging patterns.